Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, class, welcome again in our academic writing class. Now we are going to go on our materials, and then for further actions, now you are going to try to write your introduction. Well, so firstly, I'd like to explain to you the component of the introductions that you have to write in your proposal. Okay, after you learned about the previous materials, paraphrasing, summarizing, and then voice and academic writing, now you have to try how to apply those kinds of theory or techniques into your introductions. Yeah. Well, so here in the introduction, there are 6 important components that you have to create in your writing here. The first one is research finding. The second one is expert opinion. The third one is the fact. Yeah, it can be taken from the historical or in the past, or it can be taken from what's happening right now. Yeah, and then the fourth one is common knowledge, and then the fifth examples, and also personal experience or testimonies. Yeah, uh, actually, these 6 components, it is not obligation, but at least you have to put 2 or 3 of these components into your introduction here. Now, I would like you to try to identify, yeah, the components of introductions here uh, from this article. Yeah, this is the international academic article, yeah, taken from the international journals. The title is Engaging Students in Literature Circles Vocational English Reading Programs. Yeah, the writer is Indonesian people here. Yeah, okay, so please take a look at into the part of introduction here. Yeah, maybe you need to pause your video and then take several minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, to try to identify those components in the introduction here. Yeah, so you can see here, yeah, the explanations, the arrow here, Widodo 2015. Yeah, so this is what we call as the fact. Yeah, because this is the finding of the research. Yeah, it means that this is the fact. Yeah, it's happening, right? And then this one is what we call as the personal experience. Yeah. Okay, you may start to read from this sentence. In this modernist exercise, the students are asked to respond to questions following text without any dialogic discussions. Yeah. So here, based on the experience of the writer itself. Yeah. So this is what we call as the personal experience. And then it is also combined by the expert opinion. Yeah. So here's the expert opinion. Here's, you can read this sentence. Yeah. In some cases, intensive reading classes adopt multiple choice format exercise in which students are asked to answer reading comprehension questions. Teacher plays a role in giving right answer to the questions. So this is the opinions of the expert here. Yeah. And also, this is the authorial voice, or the voice of the author here. Yeah. And then this is the research finding. Yeah, research findings of the previous study here. Yeah. So you have to try to elaborate these components into the introduction here. Okay. And then there is also some things very important here. This is what we call as research gap. Yeah. I would like to explain to you in detail about the research gap further. Yes, so please uh, stay tuned, and then we can continue first to this table. Yeah, right. So here are the 4 components in writing introductions. Yeah. The first one is fact. And here's the example. Yeah. So you have to put the fact. Yeah, it can be present or past. Yeah, I have said before. And then here's the example. Yeah, in the context of